Hey everyone, today I will show you how to create AI time traveler Vine memes for TikTok. And here's how it is done. Start by opening a web browser on your computer and search for Luma AI. Click on the first link for Luma Labs, which will take you to their website. Scroll down and select Try Now. You will see a text box and an image upload icon. Upload your content. Click the icon to upload the video or photo you want to use. For best results, consider adding a screenshot of the meme or Vine clip you plan to use. Add some text. You can include descriptive text. Generate the meme. Luma AI currently limits free users to 4 generations per day. If you want unlimited access, you can subscribe to their plan. Your request will be queued, so be prepared to wait as the AI processes your creation. Edit and post. Once your creation is ready, download it to your computer. Use a video editing app like CapCut or transfer the content to your phone for further editing. When you are finished, you can upload your meme to TikTok. And that is everything you need to know about how to create AI time traveler Vine memes for TikTok. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.